Hello sir, this is Joel and I did the activity of the practical exam, and it is of the light following robot with the ultrasonic, and it worked, and I am going to show the output, and it's moving until it stops because there's an obstacle here. Now I am going to move it forward and it will not move. Still it will not move because obstacle is still there. Now if I just do the other side and put my hand, it will still not move. Now I am going to do one more time. Still stopped, and I'm going to do a little more far. It's not working. That means the obstacle is there and it will stop. And that's how it works, sir. So hope you will find this. Thank you.